Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ambassador Bilal Akbar from Pakistan. I have come to Kingdom just 2 months ago, and I had this great saadat to do Hajj this year. And having gone through the last 3 days, I am from the core of my heart, on my personal behalf and on behalf of all Pakistanis and all Hajis, I am very, very thankful to His Majesty Khadim Haramain Al Sharifain, King Salman, and His Royal Highness the Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, for the excellent arrangements which have been put together by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for Hajis. And we have been moving through various places in an uninterrupted manner. The movement has been very, very convenient. We have been kept at very nicely laid places in Mina and Arafat. Yesterday we went to Masjid Nimra, and we had a chance to sit there for 3 hours, and those 3 hours were wonderful inside Masjid Nimra. And then we were able to go to Jabal Rahmah also, and we all Hajis, they felt great accomplishment, and we were very, very much satisfied with the opportunities which have been created here. Our administrative arrangements in camps, they are also very good, and this has been done to take care of the COVID and Corona. Those SOPs were very important, and we all Hajis followed the orders and SOPs on Corona. And Alhamdulillah, there has not been a single case of sickness in the camps. I think the credit goes to His Majesty Khadim Haramain Al Sharifain and Crown Prince